Good morning, everybody. Just a quick video to announce that feedback for Essay 1 has been posted. Thank you for your patience. It always takes a little while to work through a stack of 100 essays or so. That'll generally be the case. But now that feedback has been posted, you can see grades, you can see rubrics, and you can see feedback. I do want to kind of, clarify just one thing, and that is to really see the feedback that I want you to see, you have to go actually into the assignment folder where you turned in the essay and click on the item in that list that says view feedback. I can't really show you what it looks like to you, but the assignment folder will have a number where it says that you turned in the submissions, and then somewhere under evaluation there should be a little dialog box like you see in the comic books, and it says feedback unread or something like that. And then when you click on that feedback, it'll take you, this is not anybody in this class, this is a student who gave me permission to show you this. You'll be able to, when you click on that feedback, you'll be able to see the rubric, you'll be able to see the comments I left in the rubric, and you can see your overall score. But you have to go to the folder to see the feedback document, and you'll basically see everything else, and you'll, underneath all of that, you'll see some box that says something like attached files, and under that you should see an item that is whatever you entitled your essay with the word feedback written on the end of it. And what that is, if you open that up, and you have to kind of look at this in Word in order for this to work, but when you open that up, what it'll basically be, if you can see, is a copy of your essay with all kinds of notes in the margins. And you can click on the dialog box to highlight it, because sometimes comments start to bunch up a little bit. So if you really want to be sure about what part of your text I am pointing out, you can just click on the comment. And for what it's worth, I do try to leave comments about things that you do well, as well as things that could be improved upon. And some of those comments, are about the big picture organization, topic sentences, thesis statement, that kind of thing. When it comes to grammar issues, a lot of times if it's a repeated problem, and the most common things are like comma splices and missing apostrophes and misplaced punctuation around quotation marks and that kind of thing. If that is like a recurring error that is made, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll point it out the first couple of times and even sort of explain how to fix it. But then about the third or fourth time that I'm pointing it out, I will say something in the comment like, this is clearly a recurring issue. Take a look at this throughout the rest of the essay on your own and find and fix. These are all the kind of notes that if you choose to revise this essay at the end of the semester, these are the comments I'm looking for you to actually address. The comments that I make on your rubric are often a very heavily summarized version of those. Toward the end, I stop leaving comments at all, because I leave so much commentary in your actual document. If you don't have Word at home or on your computer, you can, of course, look at this on any computer on campus. The only reason that you might not have a feedback document waiting for you to look at is because you submitted your document in a PDF. And I can't leave these kinds of comments on a PDF document. I usually substitute that with copious written comments in the rubric, but that's because I couldn't really do it this way. If you turned your essay in with a PDF this time, don't worry about it. Just make sure that you submit your document as a Word document next time, and you'll be all good. If you have any questions about any of the comments or how to find it, please let me know. If for whatever reason you don't have a feedback document, or if you receive somebody else's feedback, because sometimes that happens when I'm in the heat of grading, just let me know and I'll correct it as soon as possible. Otherwise, take a look at that. If you have any specific questions about that, let me know. As you work to revise this, don't forget that there's tutors in the libraries on campus that can help you with any of this. And if all else fails, just reach out, ask me a question. Enjoy your upcoming break.